Welcome to use Tesra.
Hi, Master. If you need help, please call Hi Tesra.
Hi Tesra,
Yes, Bob.
start pairing aircon.
Please use search or remote control point at me and press the power on button. Pairing success, and you can start to using now.
Hi Tesra,
Yes, Bob.
search aircon.
Search mode started. When the aircon have response, please say stop search.
Stop search.
Search complete.
Hi Tesra,
Yes, Bob.
start learning fan.
Please use search or remote control point at me and press the power on button. Power off button. Speed 1 button. Speed 2 button. Speed 3 button. Learning success, and you can start to using now.
This device only supports appliances with infrared remote control. It covers 99% of the household air conditioners and fans brands in the market. How can you determine if your remote control is an infrared remote control? Place your hand on top of the remote control, then press a button. If the remote can control the appliance, then it is an infrared remote control. Due to the fact that certain air conditioner brands will be replaced with new models every 2 years, and the remote control code of the air conditioner may also be changed, it may affect some of the remote control functions. When you are using the device, please place the device in an unobstructed area. Do not place in a drawer or under a table. Besides, strongly recommend placing the device facing the air conditioner. This could involve ensuring clear line of sight between the device and air conditioner, maintaining the device and the air conditioner within effective operational range. Do not use the device in a noisy environment to prevent reception issues with your spoken commands or incorrect commands received. The device will only work on the remote commands that have been set as per user manual. Thank you for watching, and wish you a pleasant experience using it.
Tesra.